metaverse project that's called Accuracy. Accuracy is a metaverse project where you can earn easily their coin for playing their games when they are launched. And it's the first metaverse project with a real world location, virtual currency, virtual economic, and virtual properties, and virtual sports, virtual business, etc. Here you can buy the virtual real world plots, everything you can buy and do your business over here all over the world. Okay, and the first metaverse project with your real world. Okay, net virtual governance on a virtual political position NFT and rule the world. And the Arcacia token, on Arcacia token to buy and sell anything in Arcacia metaverse. Okay, it's a virtual land. Okay, will be like this. Okay, on a virtual land property building, start business in Arcacia and start earning. Okay, in features it's metaverse policies. Unlike other metaverse, Arcacia metaverse will be a parallel realm where we are implementing an commercial government. Arcacia is a unique metaverse project with one of its major feature and virtual policies, NFTs. Arcacia is a conspiracy world where Arcacia has a common government for all countries, one world, one nation, with a vision of decentralized future world. Arcacia will have its own political structure, which is similar to the physical world. User can buy political position for the governance of countries, states, cities, and towns. They can rule the world. The user can present vice presidents, secretary, governance, and mayor position. Virtual politics NFTs holder will get a passive revenue from the economic growth. Each position will be NFT and it's all building models. Okay, about their metaverse land, it will be like this. Arcacia world virtual world is built on all map technology where land and properties assist directly linked to the physical world map. User can build kindly building office, mall, airport, casinos, anything you can build over here. Okay guys, and you can watch their videos, will be helpful for you guys. About their token, Arcacia will be used the token inside metaverse. All the business transactions that happen inside metaverse will be done by the Arcacia token. And all medias, thanks for the GPT-3, each user have all agent which about to the user in all accepts behaviors, game playing styles, and business styles, except after 2 years the character will become a meta-human, which will be a metaverse Thoramicities its clone for you. It will be a digital vision of human who lives in metaverse. It's like a Tron moves. Okay, they will launch their metaverse sports also, and metaverse theaters. You can see movie with the celebrities, personalized theaters, private theaters will be a good. And you can see the products will be like this. Looks awesome. The future of the metaverse is too much bright guys. Now every lot of big projects are coming in metaverse, but I think this project is will be a good because their concept and new things are coming. You can see the gloves and shorts. It's awesome guys. And hope you want to buy this their coins. You can click over here. Maybe let me tell you what's here. Let him open. You can see maybe it's not yet start. Just follow their Twitter, everything. When their pre-sale start, you just join their pre-sale, you buy their coin, and I think this project will give you 5 to 10x easily, okay, because the team and the concept and products, everything is good and okay. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.